Hello. Do you recall this board here with the small hole between the PCH and the GPU? Well, this board is probably cursed, and I don't want to spend more time on this one. So I did the following. I sourced a second board. And the fun fact here is, maybe you already noticed, we have different versions of PCH here. So the new board is a newer generation board. We have the old one is 7th gen Intel, and the new board is 8th gen Intel. So a slight upgrade. However, this board has a fault, unfortunately. So we have to fix one of them either. Yeah, so what actually does this board? I'll show you. If I plug the power, one of the fan speed up, one of the fan goes to full speed and the board isn't even turned on. When I turn it on, we are shorting at the keyboard connector. It will consume 1 amp. All voltages are present. For example, here VCC core with 1 volt, and so on. Everything is present, and when it just shut down, only 0.03 amps consumption. So yeah, it has a fault, and I already noticed we have some kind of repair attempt. I show you under the microscope. Well, OBS seems to have some issues today, so I wasn't able to show you what I found at the motherboard from the previous repair attempt. We have here attempting something at the fan heater, because yes, the fan is full on even if when the board is not powered at all, so not powered on at all. So probably someone thought it was a good idea to just resolder the pins, which yeah, did not do anything. So the real issue is here at the M controller. We have some loose pins. I've already fixed 4 pins. Here, 3. At the top was 1 pin loose, and also we have here at the bottom still 1 loose pin. Where was it? Here. Can you see this? It's a loose pin. We have to fix that. Maybe the board will work then. Huh? So this has to be fixed. This is much flux, but no problem. So we'll fix the last pin. When we'll check again for loose pins, and maybe we're lucky and the board is working again. Who knows? Who knows? So where was it? Here, this one. This one. So could be already enough. Let's check again. This one here, and it is good. It is good. So I think I did not found any other loose pins. I'll check again to be sure. This is good. This is good. Oh, okay, another loose pin. This was really bad soldering. I'm really not happy. I'm not happy. Okay, this has to be fixed too. This one. Yeah? Okay. Many loose pins. I think it was this one. This is pretty disappointing. Pretty disappointing. So how is it here? Yeah, we have cold solder joints. Many. So I really wonder how the board was even able to go so far in the sequence with this awful soldered M controller. Pretty bad job, I must say. This is a real basic to check whether all pins are soldered properly. This is a real basic check. So we touch all pins again. This was already reworked by myself. I think we don't have any more loose pins here. Okay, we can clean the flux later. I want to know whether it is working. So power. Okay, fan still high. Maybe we have an issue with the fan, but who knows? Maybe we have even a bad programming here of the EC, of the M controller. Let's power on. Okay. .2 amps, pretty much activity. I plug the display, the external display. At least I try. Oh, what's that? So, okay. .9 amps. And it's off. It is off. Okay, comes on again. Maybe we have a bad BIOS here. I think it's a good idea to wait a little bit, since we have some activity still. Keyboard is still dead. We have voltage at the GPU. Okay, the board is off. On again, we have voltage at the CPU. Some kind of wood loop. Still no picture. But it's weird. The board does really much, actually. So I really thought we have something here. It goes up and down. Oh, yeah, now it's better. 1.4 even. Yeah. The BIOS chip was also touched. We have to reprogram it. Absolutely. So maybe it's just BIOS issue from here. Maybe. Okay, let's program the BIOS. That's the BIOS chip. I'm pretty sure someone has already removed it before. Also CMX. I'm even not sure whether this is supposed to be there. Not sure. I have to check in the schematics. Yeah, I think I'll replace the chip and also reprogram the BIOS, of course. So, yeah. Just cover this area a bit. Especially the connector has already got some heat. And we don't want more heat here. Don't want more heat, it's a connector. So we cover this a bit with Captain tape. Maybe like that. Maybe. So I have enough space to work here. Should we cover the PCH too? Maybe. Maybe a bit. It's already a little bit brownish here at the corner. Shouldn't hurt to put something on it. Okay. Flux, hot air. The tip, bigger tip. Let's say 450, 10% airflow. Here we go. Okay, good. So pads looking still good. However, the fuses area, okay, this is good. Now we reprogram the BIOS. Second attempt. HDMI. Keyboards. And power. Let's remove the tape from the PCH first. Okay. Hep. Still the issue with the fan. Let's see what it does when we try to power it on. Not much. Now I think that's enough. That's enough. Okay. So let's check whether we are able to reprogram the M controller. LIF. Doesn't work like this. What's that? Here, 951P, that's the one. 28, one side. Okay. So, the power. Comes now. Yes, it is recognized. Let's read it out. So we have saved the dump. Now we write a new dump. This one, 128, that's okay. And it is writing. Wonderful. No power, okay. One more thing, I want to compare the files, whether there are differences. Here's this one. And this one. Some differences, okay? And the end. Maybe doesn't mean anything. Okay. Let's look how it behaves now. With some luck, something changed. Keyboard. Power. No! Still the same. Okay. What was that? Something is weird with this device. Something is weird for sure. It has some light, but it's very dim. That's a bit weird. Oh, there's a bit light. Okay, no way around. Let us find out what is going on with this fans, because when I remove the power and plug it again, the fans just went up and consumes 0.5 amps, 4 amps, 0.3, 0.4 amps, which is much. Let's check what we have here. So, JFan1, for example. Whoops. So we have 4 pins. Yeah. This is power, VCC fan, 5 volts, and then we have the fan PWM1. First let's check whether it is supposed to be 5 volts present where even without being powered on. Yeah, no, 5 VS. Oh well, maybe a shorted load switch. 5VS plus 5VS here. UQ1 could be internal shorted. Let's look for UQ1. UQ1. Where are you? Probably on the back side. Here. Here we go. UQ1. So what is with this one? Is it internal shorted? Let's check. This is a good test point. And here. And it is shorted, internal shorted. 0 ohms. And on the other side is good, but here it is shorted. Okay. What component do we have here? J10P. Okay. We have a dollar board, right? And it has actually the same UQ1 here. Here. Not really much to see, but I think it has another top marking. However, it's a load switch and has the same purpose. We try it. Okay? So just let it remove. We'll just remove it now. Make it like that. Yeah. Maybe a faulty load switch can cause something like that. It is shorted between the 5 volt always and the 5 volt VS, and it is not supposed to be like that. And for this reason the fans are ramping up. At full speed. Come on. Oh no. Okay. Good. This was the first one. We have to turn the board around. Like that. Yeah. A faulty load switch. Can be. I have no idea why, but can be. Help me a bit. No. Okay, it is in place. Now just remove the jumper, the bridges. Here. Here. Oh. Better. I guess I have too much solder on the tip. No. Okay. Should be fine now. Yeah. So mess up my pullover, maybe. Okay, let's check again for short. For internal short of the load switch. So it was shorted here, here, and here. And the short is gone. The short is gone. So probably the fans will act normal now. HDMI. Keyboard. Now I'm pretty interested. Okay, power. And look how silent it is. Only 0.009 amps. And no fan spinning. Let's power it on. Come on, bro. No. Okay. Cut. Do I have another drumstick? Do I have here? This one we can test. Same as the battery. Let's check whether it is good. Plus, come on. Three volts, this is okay. Check whether it still has 3 volts. 2.9, this is okay. it reacts on Control, Delete and Alt for some reason. So what? Is it working? Control, Alt, Delete, and yeah, it does a reset. So what? Do we have a false negative here? Again? Maybe I should get rid of this caps lock test, because it brings me down to rabbit holes. Control, Alt, Delete. And it makes a reset. No? So it should also react to power down. It is off. On. Well, let's check with internal display then. Okay. Okay. We'll check. When we'll see. Okay, my friends, I have no idea what is going on, but we'll find out, I guess. So, how can we do it? This is supposed to be here. Come on. Like that. Good. Okay. Maybe like this. Yeah? Good. Power. And how do I short the pins now? Impossible. How do we short the pins? Like that. Okay, pins are shorted. And we have picture, I can't believe. but it is a weird picture. Is the display bad? We have backlight. And either a GPU issue. Maybe the GPU is bad. Ah, come on. I think so. I think the GPU is bad. Here, picture. Ah, come on. Come on. Just the connector is probably not plugged right. That's all. Here. Come on, come on. Well, this is a pretty annoying one. Power on. And we do have, you can't see, we do have picture. So the caps lock test was false negative again. Can't believe. I think I install the board and see whether I can do a full Windows installation with some benchmarks, and yeah, maybe this case is solved.